This video will show you how to remove the stock front and rear brakes on all 2009 through 2018 Ram 1500s.
All right, now first thing we need to do is we need to get the front caliper off. So we're gonna grab our 13mm ratcheting wrench and take our 2 bolts that are holding on our caliper, and then we can hang it up on our caliper hanging tool. All right, you just rock the caliper back and forth, and it should come out. If not, you can grab either a flathead screwdriver or a pry bar. Just give it a little wiggle on either side. All right, and once we have our caliper hung up, we can take our old pads off. All right, and now we can take our caliper bracket off, which is gonna be 2 21mm bolts on the back side. All right, we're gonna grab our ratchet and 21mm socket and take these 2 bolts off. All right, once our bracket's off, we can take our rotor off also. All right, now you just repeat all those same steps for the other side. All right, so now at the rear, what we need to do is we need to take our caliper off. So we have the 2 10mm bolts on the back side holding it on. So we're gonna grab our 10mm ratcheting wrench and take them off. All right, now we can pull our caliper off. All right, now that we have it off, we use our caliper hanger tool, just hang it up on the spring here. And then we could take our 2 bolts off for our bracket and our 2 pads off. All right, if you get a little stuck, use your flathead screwdriver or a pry bar. All right, then we'll grab our ratchet with our 21mm socket and take our 2 bolts off for our bracket. All right, and then we just need to get our rotor off. All right, now we just need to get our rotor off. As you can see, it's a little stuck on there, so we're just gonna grab a hammer and just smack on the back of the rotor where the caliper was. Have a lug nut on here just so it doesn't go flying off. Just give it a little spin so you can hit it in a different spot. All right, and then we can pull our rotor off. All right, now you can repeat the same thing on the other side.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Ram, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.